Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for February 20th to March 4th. For the period February 20th to the 24th, we're not expecting much change in the pattern. We still have a large ridge over western North America. We have a trough south of the Aleutians, and we have a very deep trough here over the east central U.S. And we're showing signs of positive height anomalies to the west of Greenland. And the pattern remains this way for the foreseeable future. This is the 24th. It doesn't change that much. This is a GEFS, and here's the Canadian, the European ensembles, and the Canadian ensembles. They're all shown basically the same. The pattern favors warm and dry conditions in the west, with temperature anomalies approaching 20 degrees, 15 to 20 degrees above normal, and the east will remain very cold with temperatures of about 15 degrees, 10 to 15 degrees below normal. We're going to look now at the period for February 23rd to the 27th. We're going to go to the 24th. Here we are. Pattern again remains the same. Fairly strong ridge over western North America and a deep trough in the east. And we go to the end of the period, and there's not much change, like I said, during this period in the whole circulation. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, with temperature anomalies of about 15 to 20 degrees above normal, and below normal temperatures are forecast in the east from the plains to the Atlantic coast, with anomalies of about 10 to 15 degrees below normal. For precipitation, forecasting below normal precipitation for this region, above normal precipitation here. So next is the pattern for February 28th to March 4th. Okay, during this period, here we are on the 28th, and we still have a fairly strong ridge here in the west, and a broad trough across much of the nation. But this period we're forecast de-amplification of the pattern. Whether this remains true, you can see that the flow pretty much weakens. The heights start to lower in the west. Now, this is European ensembles, and you can see here that it is forecasting a ridge over the southeast, and the trough kind of shifts to the western U.S., and we still have very strong height anomalies over Alaska, the Aleutians, and the Eastern Pacific. Boop. But overall pattern is for a weaker trough. You can see here the flow kind of flattens here. Still are very deep ridge here over the Aleutians, and a weaker trough in the east. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for the West Coast states, with temperature anomalies of about 15 degrees above normal, and then in the east we're going to have temperatures about 10 degrees, 10 to 15 degrees below normal. And you can see this is where the temperatures of below normal will be. And for precipitation, I'm calling for above normal precipitation for this area. So that is the long range weather forecast discussion for February 20th to March 4th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.